If ChatGPT is showing error code 1020, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step, so you can get back in as quickly as possible. This error is usually caused by a network, browser, or security issue, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch through to the end, because the last steps are often the ones that actually solve the problem. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common solution. Turn off any VPN or proxy you might be using. If you have a VPN enabled, disconnect it completely. Then refresh the ChatGPT page and try again. A VPN can sometimes trigger security filters and cause access to be blocked, so this is the first thing worth checking. If you're using a browser proxy or any privacy tool that changes your location or IP address, disable that too. Once it's off, reload the page and see if the error is gone. If that does not fix it, move on to the next step, which is clearing your cookies and cache. Open your browser settings and look for the privacy or history section. From there, clear your cookies and cached files. This removes old browser data that may be causing conflicts with the ChatGPT website. After clearing everything, close your browser completely and restart it before trying again. Sometimes the browser needs a fresh session to connect properly. Next, if the issue is still there, try changing your network. For example, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if you're on a phone, or try a different Wi-Fi network if one is available. You can also restart your router to get a new connection and possibly a new IP address. This is important because sometimes the current network gets flagged temporarily and a new connection can bypass the block. If you're on a computer, you can even try connecting through a phone hotspot just to test whether the network is the problem. If none of that works, the next step is to try another browser or another device. Open ChatGPT in Chrome, Edge, or whatever browser you haven't tried yet. If you're already on a desktop, try logging in from your phone. If you're on mobile, try a computer. A browser-specific issue, extension, or device setting could be triggering the error, so switching devices is a simple way to isolate the problem. Also, if you have browser extensions running, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, temporarily disable them and test again. Those can sometimes interfere with site access too. At this point, if the error still appears, wait a little while and try again later. In some cases, the block is temporary and clears on its own after some time. You can also check whether ChatGPT is having a wider service issue, because sometimes the problem is not on your end at all. To quickly recap, the best fixes for ChatGPT error code 1020 are turning off your VPN or proxy, clearing cookies and cache, changing your network, and trying another browser or device. In most cases, one of those steps will solve it. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.